ma birogo. Komachielo en ni Gavana ma Isiolo Abdi Guyo notony e lwet Senetas kendo koro nyalo dok e apisi bang' Senetas maromo 32 goyo ombulu kasiro ni Gavana Abdi Guyo ne ok othich oko gi County Assembly kaluwore gi chik. Kata kamano Senetas 12 to nyogo ombulu mar siro ni Guyo nothich oko kaluwore gi chike. Spika Amazon Kingi kane golo ng'eto maduoko Guyo apisi noyue mondo mi omany kwe kinde kod jotelo mag Isiolo mapiyo kaka nyalore, nono to pod buch thiche oko nyalo duogo mane Senate. Guyo yande ni tudo kod tiyo marach kod apisi ndiko jong'adne rieko maromo 31 ataro mar chik chiwo rak mag mibadhi e kind mamoko.
That very fat file, it contains the things that residents of Isiolo said during the public participation, that they have high hope in this House, Mr. Speaker, that we will grant them justice, that they will have an opportunity to correct a decision they made on the 8th of August 2025.
It will be the darkest day, Honorable Speaker, when me, as a lawyer who's also an appointed officer of the court, the person who has been crying all over the place saying we need to respect the rule of law, and that the cornerstone of rule of law is obedience of court orders. I was one of the lawyers for Miguna. We got almost 12 court orders. They were all disobeyed by some people now who are running around telling us about court orders in this country. So, Honorable Speaker, for me, the question as to whether there was a sitting has already been answered by the Assembly themselves.
Isiolo is not safe today. The Assembly is not safe after today. I am not safe after today. Isiolo people will not be safe after today. And I can see the people who actually normally fight me in the social media, they are all here watching.
To the Governor, let me offer you unsolicited advice. This is not a win. And therefore the Senate does not expect you to go out there chest thumping. This is a postponement of your case. It is a postponement of your hearing. Now, depending on how you're going to carry yourself from today going forward, that case may never be heard. Similarly, depending on how you're going to behave out there, your case may be back here in a matter of days. It's up to you.